Welcome back, guys. If you're looking to lower your scores, the quickest way isn't a new driver, it's mastering the 100 yards and in game. In 2026, the best golf wedge category is more competitive than ever. We've moved past simple blade designs. Now we're talking about AI-optimized CG placement, 3D milled face textures, and specialized finishes that shed water like a raincoat. Whether you're a scratch player looking for ultimate workability or a high handicapper who just wants to stop sculling it across the green, there is a specific tool for you. Today, we've tested dozens of models to bring you the 5 highest performing wedges of the year. We're looking at spin retention, turf interaction, and overall clutch factor. Let's dive into the list of the best golf wedges 2026 has to offer. Number 5. Cleveland CBZ ZipCore. Starting our list at number 5 is the Cleveland CBZ ZipCore. Cleveland continues to dominate the game improvement space with a wedge that refuses to act like a beginner club. Performance. The CBZ is all about consistency. It uses a cavity back design that makes it incredibly stable on off-center strikes. If you tend to catch your chips a little thin or off the toe, the ZipCore technology stabilizes the head to ensure the ball still reaches the hole. Technology and features. The Z in CBZ stands for their new zone milling tech. They've added heat-treated grooves that stay sharp for 20% longer than previous generations. It also features the Ulti-Zip groove pattern, which is deeper and sharper to channel away debris from the rough. Design and build. It features a slightly larger profile at address, which inspires massive confidence. The Hydra-Zip finish gives it a premium matte look that also helps with friction in wet conditions. Weight and portability. Despite being a cavity back, it's surprisingly well balanced. It's a standard floor-to-bag weight, fitting perfectly into any 14 club setup. Pros: extreme forgiveness on off-center hits, industry-leading groove durability, great out of thick rough. Cons: a larger head might look clunky to elite players. Lower workability for specialized flop shots. Best for mid to high handicappers who want the high-performance golf wedge that helps them survive their misses. Price and value. Coming in around $160, this is easily one of the most affordable golf wedges on this list that doesn't compromise on professional-grade spin. Final verdict: the ultimate safety net wedge that still checks up like a tour blade. Number 4. Cobra King MIM 2026. At number 4, we have the Cobra King MIM. Cobra has refined their metal injection molding process to create what might be the softest feeling wedge on the market. Performance. The MIM process creates a highly consistent grain structure in the metal. This results in a buttery feel at impact. On full shots, it offers a mid-flight trajectory with massive stopping power, while greenside shots feel incredibly soft and controlled. Technology and features. The 2026 model introduces Snakebite 2.0 grooves. They've extended the grooves across the entire face on the higher lofts, 56 to 60 degrees, allowing you to open the face and still get maximum spin on those delicate lob shots. Design and build. It's a sleek, tour-inspired shape with a beautiful satin chrome finish. The build quality is top tier, looking like a piece of jewelry in your bag. Weight and portability. Its traditional weight profile, though the MIM process allows for very precise weight distribution toward the toe for better centering. Pros: incredible forged feel from the MIM process. Full face grooves on high lofts are a game changer. Very versatile sole grinds. Cons: the finish can show wear fairly quickly. Limited options for very steep swing types. Best for the feel player. If you rely on touch and sound to gauge your distances, this is your wedge. Price and value. Retailing at $180, it sits right in the middle of the premium market. It's worth every penny for the tactile feedback alone. Final verdict: the incredible technical masterpiece that proves Cobra is a heavyweight in the short game arena. Number 3. TaylorMade MG5 Milled Grind 5. Breaking into the top 3 is the TaylorMade MG5. This is the top-rated golf wedge for players who want a precision-engineered tool that performs the same way every single time. Performance.
The MG5 is famous for its spin tread technology. Even in dewy or rainy conditions, this wedge retains nearly 90% of its dry spin rates. It's a low-launch, high-spin machine that is a favorite among tour pros for its predictable flight. Technology and features. The big news for 2026 is the Raw Face 3.0. The face is unplated, meaning it will rust over time, increasing friction. Combined with the new CNC milled sole, you get a level of turf interaction that feels like the club is slicing through butter. Design and build. The milled grind process ensures that every sole is identical. There's no human error here, just robotic precision. It comes in a classic chrome or a stealthy black finish. Weight and portability. Classic blade weighting. It's designed to be desk-stable in your bag, meaning the weight is low enough to prevent the club from twisting on impact. Pros: best-in-class performance in wet conditions, perfectly consistent manufacturing. Raw face provides incredible spin. Cons: the rusting raw face isn't for everyone aesthetically and can be a bit unforgiving for beginners. Best for serious golfers and competitive players who need absolute precision and high spin in all weather conditions. Price and value. At $199, it's a premium investment, but for a high-performance golf wedge in 2026, it's the industry standard for precision. Final verdict: if you want the wedge Rory McIlroy and Tiger Woods trust, this is the one to get. Number 2. Callaway Opus SP. Our runner-up is the Callaway Opus SP. This wedge represents Callaway's massive leap forward in spin pocket engineering. Performance. The Opus SP spin power is designed to maximize spin on those tricky partial shots. You know, those 30-yard pitches that usually roll out too far? This wedge is built to make them stop on a dime. It produces a higher, softer landing than the TaylorMade. Technology and features. The standout feature is the Spin Gen 2.0 face. It uses a tighter groove pattern and an aggressive micro-milling between the grooves. They've also utilized AI to move the center of gravity CG higher as the loft increases, which prevents the ball from climbing the face and losing distance. Design and build. It features the Shape 6 Tour profile, a slightly more rounded leading edge that looks beautiful and prevents digging. The build quality is robust, designed for years of heavy use. Weight and portability, very balanced. The weight is redistributed through the spin pocket in the back, making it feel lighter in the hands but heavy through the ball. Pros: highest peak spin on partial shots. AI-optimized CG leads to perfect distance control. Beautiful, classic aesthetics. Cons: a higher launch might be tough to control in high winds. Premium price tag. Best for players who struggle to get check on their chips and want an AI-assisted boost to their spin rates. Price and value. Priced at $210, it's one of the more expensive options, but the technology inside justifies the cost for those looking for an edge. Final verdict: an AI-powered spin monster that makes the hardest shots feel easy. Number 1. Titleist Vokey SM11. Finally, at number 1, the undisputed king of the short game, the Titleist Vokey SM11. In 2026, Bob Vokey has once again set the bar for the best golf wedge 2026. Performance. The SM11 is the ultimate all-rounder. It doesn't just do one thing well, it does everything perfectly. It offers the most consistent distance gaps, the widest variety of grinds, and a feel that is synonymous with professional golf. It's the most played wedge on tour for a reason. Technology and features. The SM11 introduces heat-treated spin-milled grooves and a new progressive center of gravity that has been refined to the millimeter. The new feature for 2026 is the Impact Zone Forgiveness, which uses a multi-material internal construction to keep the face square even on heavy-handed shots. Design and build. It available in Tour Chrome, Jet Black, and the stunning brushed steel. The craftsmanship is unrivaled. It feels like a custom-made tool. Weight and portability, perfectly weighted. The SM11 feels substantial in the hand, giving you the confidence to swing aggressively through the ball. Pros: the most grind and bounce options in the industry. Unmatched tour-proven performance. The gold standard for distance gapping. Cons: rarely goes on sale. It can be overwhelming to choose the right grind without a fitting. Best for everyone. From the absolute beginner to the PGA Tour Pro, there is an SM11 configuration that will improve your game. Price and value, at $215, it's the top of the market, but considering it's the most important scoring club in your bag, it's the best investment you can make. Now for how to choose. Here's the quick breakdown. If you're a mid-handicapper looking for help on your misses, go with the Cleveland CBZ. If you want that signature soft feel, the Cobra IM is your winner. If you play in wet conditions or love a raw look, pick up the TaylorMade MG5. For maximum spin on short chips, the Callaway Opus SP is hard to beat. But if you want the ultimate tour standard tool and can get fitted, the Vokey SM11 is the best wedge in the world right now.